How to solve Steam captcha error. Hi guys, in today's video we are going to solve Steam captcha error, so let's dive in. First you have to open the Steam on your browsers and then choose this login on the top right corner, and it's going to bring you to this page. Now choose help icon, sign in over here, and then choose I forgot my Steam account name or password. Now you have to enter your phone number or email address over here. So just type in your email and choose this I'm not a robot and click search. It's going to bring you to this page. Now you can choose email and account verification code to this email, and then you can just recover your account with the verification code, or you can choose I no longer have access to this email address if you don't have any access to the email address you provided. Now you can just enter the details over here and click send, and it's going to fix your problem. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.